Have you ever wondered what it would be like to drive worry-free from speeding tickets? I'll show you how with the concealed radar laser system we finished on this Porsche Taycan. Here we have the Redenzo RCM built-in radar paired with the AL Priority laser jammers, which is a universal system that we customize for every vehicle. Starting with the front of the vehicle, the setup has 3 laser jammers that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed. We fabricated housings to aesthetically blend the jammers into the front bumper. For the center jammer, we made 2 housings to keep it symmetrical. The front radar detector will alert you of police officers ahead. We attached the radar detector to a fabricated bracket, so if the system is ever removed, there would be no evidence that it was ever there. Another bracket was created to mount the GPS antennas with the same idea. 3 laser jammers were mounted to the rear bumper to prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed from behind. The reflectors were replaced with fabricated housings to hide the outer 2 laser jammers. Since the backup camera was in the center of the bumper, the center jammer was mounted to one side behind a fabricated housing, and we added another housing to the other side as well. The rear radar will alert you of police threats from behind. A fabricated bracket was created to mount the rear radar, and the wires were routed through the factory grommet. The Redenzo display and controller was molded into the overhead panel for a factory appearance. All the wires get wrapped in factory matching tape and routed next to the factory wires. The components that go up under the dash were mounted to a fabricated bracket, and the wires were shortened and labeled for serviceability. In these video clips, you can see what the cop sees when the laser jammers are on and off. With this system, you can program them to jam for a certain number of seconds and then they turn off. So you get a chance to slow down to a speed you're okay with him getting a reading of. We also designed vehicle-specific skid plates that protect your bumper without drilling any holes so you can drive worry-free. If you are interested, click on the link in the description below. If you have any questions or want to get in touch with us, the best ways are either by giving us a call or sending an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.